Astagfirullah orang-orang ke bawah. Oh, kencang sekali gempa. Oh. Waduh. Mati. Sama dia itu di dalam sana, ada yang itu di dalam nih. Mungkin di depan. Di dalam ada dia nih.
Aduh. Mana tas ini? Mana tas? Ini kopeng ini, tas kuning dengan ada ini. Mana? Bukan. Aduh. Aduh, Om Firman. Aduh. Aduh, Om Firman. Jangkar. Aduh.
Tolong, woi. Tolong, woi. Tuhan. Tali.
A powerful magnitude 7.7 earthquake has struck eastern Indonesia, collapsing buildings, forcing mass evacuations, and killing at least 5 people. The shallow earthquake hit early Saturday morning near Flores Island in East Nusa Tenggara province. According to the United States Geological Survey, the epicenter was located about 68 kilometers north-northwest of Ende, at a depth of approximately 10 kilometers. The violent shaking was felt across Flores, East and West Nusa Tenggara, and parts of South Sulawesi. In several areas, residents said the ground continued moving for nearly 1 minute.
Suruh nikah lagi. Kamu hancur saleh.
Allah Akbar, ini korban gempa kami di markas runtuh semua. Allah Akbar, la ilaha illallah. Gempa ini WC-nya. Allah Akbar, nih la ilaha illallah, ini korban gempa lagi.
Buildings and homes were damaged across the region. In Maumere, parts of a port terminal collapsed as terrified residents ran into the streets. Rescue teams began searching damaged structures and clearing debris, while authorities worked to determine the full scale of the destruction. At least 5 people have been reported dead, according to the governor of East Nusa Tenggara. Several others were injured, but casualty figures remain preliminary and may rise as emergency crews reach more isolated communities. Hospitals in affected areas moved patients, beds, and medical equipment outside because of concerns that damaged buildings could collapse during aftershocks. Power outages and communication disruptions have also The earthquake initially triggered a tsunami warning to East Nusa Tenggara, West Nusa Tenggara, and parts of Sulawesi. Thousands of coastal residents immediately moved toward higher ground, including around 2,000 people in Nagakeo. Small tsunami waves measuring less than 1 meter were detected in several locations. Authorities lifted the warning approximately 3 hours later after monitoring showed no continuing major threat to coastal communities. However, the danger has not completely passed. Numerous aftershocks have already shaken the region, and damaged buildings may collapse without warning. Residents have been urged to remain outside unstable structures and follow instructions from local emergency officials. Indonesia sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the world's most active seismic zones. Flores has also experienced devastating earthquakes and tsunamis in the past, making rapid coastal evacuations especially important. Emergency teams are continuing search and rescue operations as authorities assess collapsed buildings, landslides, and damage across the affected islands. This remains a developing disaster, and casualty figures may change. Subscribe to Climate News for updates on earthquakes, extreme weather, and natural disasters around the world.
Habis tahu.